This is the shortest fingerboard deck I've ever seen. Hello and welcome to Tatsulok FB. Let's build this N3rf fingerboard. I have the parts ready, so why not join me in building this? Let's take a closer look on this deck. You have a 5-ply thickness, 29mm wide by 93mm length in a popsicle shape, with a medium kick and mellow concave. It has this natural maple wood bottom ply and a brown top ply with a marker for the tail, which is a nice touch nonetheless. Nice foam tape V6 on top. Line up the deck to the foam tape. Then press firmly so the tape adheres to the deck. Trim off the excess foam tape using a file. And that's another clean grip job down in the books. Let's prep the truck holes while blitzing through the whole process. And yeah, don't forget the top side too. Then clean those countersinks for a professional look and a made from factory feel. I'll be using this rare techdeck and independent trucks collaboration. And ill-peel street-shape urethanes to finish the build. Let's do a kickflip test. So there you have it, my shortest fingerboard setup ever. I hope you had fun with this build and I hope to see you again only here on Tatsulok FB.